Scrum framework. One of the most common mistakes that even people who work in Agile do is to intermix the terms Scrum and Agile. Remember, Scrum is a framework. A typical software framework is built on the basis of a set of rules and guidelines, and in this case, the guidelines are Agile Manifesto. So we can say Scrum is a SDLC framework which is built based on Agile Manifesto. Now, is Scrum the only framework implementation of Agile guidelines? Absolutely not. There are many more. We have XP, which stands for Extreme Programming. We have Kanban, which we have mentioned already. We have Crizzle, a highly adaptable and lightweight Agile process. We have Lean, which focuses on minimizing cost and eliminating waste. And we have DSDM, which stands for Dynamic Systems Development Method, which is used in rapid application development scenarios. Now, these are only a handful. There are hundreds of frameworks out there. So what are characteristics of a Scrum framework? Self-organizing teams. We have discussed about self-organizing teams already. In short, it is a team where decisions are taken together. Time boxes. Progresses in a series of sprints. Instead of a long timeline for delivery, the team splits the timeline into smaller sprints. Backlog. Requirements are tracked in a product backlog. All requirements and defects are tracked in a backlog. In short, anything that the team is supposed to work has to be in the backlog. That way, the team knows where to look at for work, and the team will not be deviated from any other sources of work. Releases. Every sprint delivers a shippable product increment. Every sprint must deliver a product update, also known as potentially shippable increment. There is no point in giving a product increment at the end of 4 or 5 sprints. You may very well do a waterfall. Here is a high-level overview of Scrum. It all starts with product backlog. A product backlog is everything under the sky that the team is supposed to work on. The list is constantly updated whenever there is a new requirement or a new defect in the existing product. But then, all of this cannot be accomplished by the team in a single sprint. And the answer lies in sprint backlog. A sprint backlog is a refined set of requirements that the team has agreed to deliver as a part of the upcoming sprint. The team ensures that they understand what they are exactly expected to deliver. Now, a sprint is a sliced time box from the lengthy timeline of the product development. Each sprint may vary anywhere between 1 week to 1 month in general. The shorter a sprint, the more mature the Scrum team. And as discussed earlier, each sprint delivers a tested product increment or product update.